Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the mandatory security adjustments required to entirely resolve the strict VAN restriction error blocking you from accessing the Valorant servers. This security block occurs because Vanguard requires active kernel-level protection layers to maintain matchmaking integrity, specifically requiring both secure boot and hypervisor protected code integrity operational. To begin fixing this, click your desktop Start menu, open your Windows Security app, navigate directly into the Device Security tab, and click the link for Core Isolation details. Inside this specialized menu, locate the toggle switch for Memory Integrity, flip it over to the Active On position, and let your operating system process this security change. Next, you must access your motherboard BIOS firmware, so click Restart on your machine while rapidly tapping the designated Delete key or F2 key on your keyboard until the configuration screen surfaces. Switch your layout into Advanced mode. Locate the Security Settings or Boot Configuration tab and find the parameter labeled Secure Boot to change its status from Disabled over to Enabled. While you are inside this firmware architecture, ensure your system boot mode is explicitly set to UEFI instead of CSM legacy mode. Then save your changes and exit to restart your machine. Once you boots back into your desktop environment, Vanguard will automatically recognize the updated security environment, allowing you to launch the game client and queue up for your next competitive match without encountering any further system validation restrictions. Subscribe the channel for more videos.